Okay, I decided to mount remote push button and power socket on the DR. So I took a bit of aluminium angle head lying around, measured the holes for the handlebars mounting, and drilled out the appropriate holes, roughly. Had a dry run, make sure we're within cooey. There's the power socket. Got some stainless screws for that, and there's the waterproof button for the remote control. So I marked out where I wanted the hole, drilled those out with a hole saw. Had a dry run with that as well. Had to chisel a little bit of the plastic away from that mounting because the bolt was interfering with that. Got it all dressed and painted with an undercoat. I got some acrylic paint. Gave it about 5 top coats. Let it dry. That's the push button for the remote control. That's the bottom side of the bracket as I mount the buttons. There we go, and they're both mounted. I soldered 2 wires to the push button circuit board and ran 2 wires from the battery and put the remote control underneath the cowling at the front of the bike in a plastic bag. You can just see it there on the top, and there's the push button on the right and the power socket on the left there. So it doesn't look too bad. We'll give it a test run now.
It all works. The power socket. Excellent. Okay, let's try the garage door. Oh yeah! And back down. Oh yeah. Excellent.